Hey Kansas City, Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team bringing you this month's market update from Orlando with our Keller Williams National Conference. It's great to have some sunshine and also be with people again. Hey, our number one question this month is interest rates changing almost daily. So if you keep an eye on the national treasury rate, you're going to see the increases and lowering of interest rates because it follows that same pattern. And the reason it's fluctuating is because the government is trying to balance out inflation as well as the world economy changes. And so those two together basically equal a moving target. So last week you saw 4.1, this week you saw 3.9. It's just something that's going to be changing. The good news is if you refi and lock in that rate, then you're set to go for what you were able to lock in at. And once you get a house under contract, you can also lock in your rate. If you have questions on buying, selling, or investing in real estate, it will be our pleasure to answer them. Have a great day, Kansas City.